follow my lane. You all on my lane. You ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you Nino. Plenty pitching, whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a seed note. Switch and keep it pimping every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Now, it's been a long time coming. My bad, I've been gone for about a year, but I got a great Jerk Oxtail Philly video for you guys today. So the first thing I'm going to do is get you some good oxtails. Look at those beautiful. Wherever you get them at, just get you some beautiful oxtails and clean them up. We ain't going to show you how to clean them today because this video already long enough. But go ahead and clean it up then. We got you some hot jerk seasoning there. You can make your own jerk seasoning, or you can get this one. You can get regular if you don't like hot, but I got that. Now this right here, great seasoning. This is my new seasoning line, and I'm gonna tell you more about that as we get into more videos. But that's my new seasoning line. That's one of the things I've been working on while I've been gone. But got the website coming up too, so I'm gonna put y'all all on that. So, and the last thing you seen was canola oil. So go ahead and get your oxtails in a bowl. Now I'm using the bowl that we're using for the pressure cooker, and I'm seasoning it with that gray seasoning. Now gray seasoning, you got low sodium, so you can pack that on heavy. And then we're putting that jerk seasoning in there. All right, from the jerk seasoning, we're gonna add a little of that oil, just to get a beautiful sear. Then we're gonna go ahead and mix this thing up. Now we're gonna cheat a little bit. We're gonna sear it off today in our air fryer. So that's a little cheat code. You ain't got to do it over the stove and oil. So we're going to just sear it off in the air fryer once we get them set up. But go ahead and season them up really good, and just mix that seasoning into them oxtails. Then we're going to add a little browning seasoning, because we want that good dark brown color, especially when we sear them off. All right. And I added a little garlic powder as well as a little onion powder, but all of that in the gray seasoning as well. So but I just wanted a little bit more. Then I'm adding some peppers and onions. Go ahead and mix that up. Mix that browning seasoning all in there with the peppers and onions. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and place them into our air fryer. And then I put it on 450 in the air fryer and just seared them off for 15 minutes until they was pretty and golden brown. So there go the air fryer right there. And I'm going to go ahead and pop these oxtails in there. Now I did 2 batches, so that's why the air fryer look you got a little crummy in there, but I'm searing this off in 2 batches to place into the pressure cooker. So there go the oxtails before, and here go the oxtails after, looking beautiful and sear it off. Like I said, it's cheat code. Use what you got. But look at that, beautiful. All right, from there we're gonna go ahead and place it into our pressure cooker. Now I did marinate my meat in the pressure cooker, so that's why you see the excess onions and peppers there. I don't know, I gotta explain it to you guys, but some people, man, they gonna question it and they gonna say something. So I'll go ahead and touch our bases before we even get started. But then we popping it all in there, and then I'm gonna add a little bit more of that jerk seasoning just because we want that good rich hot jerk flavor. And then I'm gonna add the rest of the peppers and onions in there. And then we're gonna let this thing go at high pressure, and I cook these about an hour and 20 minutes just at high pressure because I want them to be completely tender and just fall off the bone, because like I said, we're gonna pick the bones out and use this for our Philly cheesesteaks. So look at that, there you have it. All right, from there pop it aside, let everything cool. And I actually did that the night before, so this is the next day. And that fat on top of that au jus that the oxtails made, we're gonna fry everything up in there. So I'm gonna bring my oxtails too. Like I said, I did this the night before, and you want that gravy right there, and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna use that for here in a second. But I'm placing the oxtails in there, and that's the oxtails that we already picked off the bone. Placing a little oxtail fat, and then we're gonna bring this thing together, heat it up. All right, from there we're gonna add our peppers and onions and just saute it until it's well heated. And we're gonna add a little bit more grace to it because you know why? Everything needs a little grace. Look at that. Man, get my seasoning, man. www.thebistroffoodtruck.com. That's a little plug there. But yeah, we added a little more grace to it. Go ahead and saute it up. And then from this point, this is where we're gonna add that oxtail gravy, the au jus in there. because we want everything to be good and succulent, and it's gonna just marry everything together and make everything come to. So go ahead and add the oxtail gravy in there and saute it until it's completely loosed in there. And look at that, it look beautiful already, man. This is a good recipe. Like I told you, I've been gone for a minute, but I'm coming back with that heat, man. So sorry I was gone for so long, but we got so many exciting things going on. We got the food truck, we got the new spice line, spice and tea line. I got new hand tattoos. So I mean, it's just been an amazing year, man. I want to thank you guys for still rocking with me and staying on this journey. But look at that. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and assemble our sandwiches. So we're gonna take a little bit more of that fat. So instead of frying it in butter, grilling our grilled cheese in butter, we're gonna use a little the oxtail fat, that beef tallow. All right, we're gonna get that on the bread just to coat that bread. All right, from there we're gonna do the other bread as well. Then we're gonna go ahead and start building our sandwich. And I did the Philly on Texas toast because I wanted to do something a little bit different. All right, once you get that piece of bread in there, we're gonna leave that one, and then we're gonna go ahead and go in with some provolone cheese. You can use whatever cheese you want. You could actually add some whiz to the meat mix, but I didn't. And then we're gonna pile this up with as much meat as you want. Like, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna go down today, so you know what I'm saying? I want this thing to be really good and decadent and luscious, and so I'm going heavy. And just for camera purposes too, because it looks good. You know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta eat this stuff every day, but if you're gonna eat it, man, you might as well do what you're gonna do. Alright, then we'll put the top on there, drop the top, and then we're gonna go ahead and sear it off until it's beautiful and golden brown like that, both sides. And then we're gonna pop it off on our cutting board and go ahead and cut it up. And there you have it, man, the most amazing jerk oxtail Philly. Like I said, I've been gone for a while, man. Thank you guys for still sticking on this journey with me. Follow me on all social media platforms, Cornelius Latham on Facebook, the Bistro Food Truck on Instagram, Cornelius Latham on TikTok, X, you know what I'm saying? Follow me on all social media platforms and you'll really see what we've been working on. But look at that, man. The most amazing jerk oxtail Philly from the Bistro. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Like I said, the website coming soon on thebistrofoodtruck.com. So make sure you check that out. Also, our shop on bistrofoodtruck.com. We will have our seasonings on there. But yeah, man, thank you guys for checking this video out. I'll catch you next week. I'm out.